So today I'm gonna discuss should artificial intelligence replace customer service representatives? So my name is Ferdinand Alvar. Next slide. So table of contents, we have first one, research topic, the background, the disadvantages, the advantages, and lastly the conclusions. Next slide. So the story of AI in customer service from 1950 to 1970s, the journey toward automotive customer service began with interactive voice response systems. So these systems allowed callers to interact with pre-recorded messages and basic menu options using touch-tone telephones. While limited, this marked the first step toward automating customer interactions. So while from 1980s to 2010s, with the advent of natural language processing and advancements in AI algorithms, chatbots become more conversational and context-aware. Companies like IBM, Watson, Google, and Microsoft began developing sophisticated AI systems capable of understanding human language and delivering tailored responses. So today, AI in customer service includes predictive analytics, sentiment analysis, and voice recognition technologies which allow businesses to anticipate customer needs and provide proactive solutions. So next slide. So these are the disadvantages: lack of empathy, recognize and understand others people emotions, according to Goldman 1986. So AI lacks the emotional intelligence to understand and respond to a customer's feelings or frustrations. So potential for miscommunications over reliance on technology. So limited problem solving, complex or unique issues may exceed AI's capabilities, requiring human interventions and potential job loss. Replacing customer service representatives with AI could lead to unemployment and economic challenges for affected workers. Customers dissatisfactions. Many customers prefer human interactions and may feel frustrated with AI systems that fail to understand their concerns. And uh, if we talk about the high initial cost, developing and maintaining advanced AI system can be expensive for businesses. So next slide. So these are the advantages: efficiency and availability. Operate 24/7, provide instant responses, and reduce waiting times. So AI can operate 24/7, providing instant responses and reducing wait times. It could be good. And scalability can handle a huge of queries spontaneously, improve service tasks for businesses. So AI can handle a high volume of queries simultaneously, provide service for business with large customer bases. And lastly, the consistency, reduce error, and specific skill. Example include communication, relationship building, leaders, and work-life balance, according to Capreno 2021. So AI provides uniform responses, reducing the risk of human error or inconsistency in communication. So to conclude, while AI offers numerous advantages such as efficiency, scalability, it cannot fully replicate the empathy, the creativity, and problem-solving abilities of human customer service representatives. A balanced approach where AI supports human agents rather than replacing them entirely may be the most effective strategy. So, references. That's all. Thank you.